Now that's some lighting. Yes, God, Houston, H-Town, what's going on? Alright. It's a beautiful night in Houston, Texas. All around the world. Hi. People think I'm crazy, and they should, because I am. Yes, God. Quitting smoking is imminent, folks. Quitting smoking is imminent. You heard it here first, motherfucker. Motherfucker. I'm gonna quit smoking, and there's no two ways about it. Except there is, because I could not get it, but I'll get it eventually. Don't you worry, mama. New Year's, I will be, I don't know. Not coming to San Antonio this year, I don't think. I'm already sweaty. It's freezing out. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. McDonald's. Oh, where'd the conference go? Did everybody leave me? I haven't been outside. I went to the party boutique, because guess what, mama? It ain't a party boutique. I went in there and the guy was very rude, but then as I cajoled him, as I invited him to get on my level, which is a wacky level, he did eventually. And he was a cool guy. You know. It ain't every day in a party at the party boutique. Girl, seriously. Come back to shitty Edmonton. Welcome. Way to sell your beautiful town. I met some great people. I think you know who you are. I met you on the side there, and we made shapes with our bodies at Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. But I don't remember. The show sucked because whatever. Anyways, here we go. No time off. No rest for the wicked. Well, 2 days off, like a regular weekend. You have to have weekends. If you're working more than 7 days in a row, and then you do that 3 times in a row, and that keeps happening until the point where you realize that you're